we run a lot of analysis on that, and that we feel with our leasing program, we can actually reduce your cost of ownership by us taking that and doing the maintenance when it's required, making sure that it's all properly maintained so that you don't all of a sudden get these huge expensive repair bills by let's say not properly greasing bearings or letting dryers go with lint building up inside of them, and all of a sudden there's a fire or something catastrophic. So ownership, if you take that, let's say $50,000, and you were able to go take that CapEx and then you had to borrow on that and pay the interest on it, and you're paying the repair bills and etc., you'll find that our full service lease program is very, very competitive, that if not under what your existing costs are, but also takes those headaches away from you. It really comes down to, where do you want to spend your capital dollars, right? If you want to deploy it yourself, if you've got X dollars in the bank and you've got that budget and you just want to purchase equipment and then just pay for service as you go, that's perfectly legitimate, right? That happens the majority of our customers. But there's also people that are trying to remodel hotels. They're trying to, they need air conditioning units. They need, whatever it is their capital dollars need to go to continue to either upgrade or build, etc. So here's a way to change that into a payment, get rid of the CapEx, and you get rid of the risk. So it's really just, are you balancing of what, if you've got access to lots of, free capital, when I say that, you don't have to borrow it maybe, or even if you do, you got access to it, that's, individual business decision in terms of, buying versus leasing. Same thing kind of with vehicles, same kind of concept.